I have close to 1,000 WhatsApp contacts, and I could categorically tell you that out of those 1,000 contacts, 900 of them are into businesses. 1 or 2 businesses, could be small scale, medium scale, or large scale. Now, especially those small scale businesses, I discovered that most of the owner of those businesses do everything a company does. Let's say it designs, he advertises, he promotes, he does everything all by himself. Most times this entrepreneur finds it hard to get funds, to pay graphic designers to design their business cards for them, design their flyers and all those stuff for their businesses. Come closer. I have an app for you that you can use to design your business card, your business flyers, even your CV. You can do a whole lot of things. You can even write a book with this app. Hi guys, welcome to RIONA'S space, and of course I am Riona. I would always say you don't need a professional to do some of these things. This is 2022. You can do almost anything by yourself. Thank God for the internet. You can learn a lot of things from TikTok, from YouTube, from Facebook, from Instagram. It's an app that you can use. You just need to edit some parts and you're good to go. By the time you put your design out there, they'll be like, oh, who taught you graphic design? Who taught you graphic designing? You won't know that you just edited 1 or 2 things. The name of this app is CANVA. With your phone or with your system. I think the first thing a business owner would want a potential client to know is, okay, what they do, what their business is about. And when you meet a client today, the first thing you should give your clients is your business card, right? So I'll be teaching you guys how to design a simple business card with CANVA. I think I would make this CANVA design a series. I'll make it a series so that I can teach you guys a range of things you can do on CANVA. But we're starting with designing of business cards.
Hi guys, so this is the app CANVA, CANVA. You can download from either your app store or your Play Store. So after downloading, you sign in. I'm already signed in, so it takes me straight to the For You page. So here it shows you options of things you can design. You can design a whiteboard, you can design your business logo, your business card, your Instagram story, an Instagram post, a poster, a portrait poster, a photo collage, phone wallpaper. Can you imagine? Wow. YouTube thumbnail for YouTubers like me, flyers, infographics, invitation cards, a lot of things that are not even mentioned here. You can design a whole lot of things. And the good part is that these are pre-designed works. So all you need to do is come here and edit. You don't need to start racking your brain as to how to go about it. If you feel you are good enough, you can design from scratch. I'm going to show you how, but you just need to edit. So let's go for business card. It's going to show you a whole lot of options. You could change the format if you like, the style, theme, color. Then, if you feel you're good enough and you want to design from scratch, you can click this plus sign here and design from scratch. But if you feel okay, you just want to come here and do something fast, you just want to edit something to your taste and choice, then you pick any of these options given, anyone you like, you pick any of them and edit them to suit your business. Now, if you see paid, you know it's not free. This design is not free. You have to pay for it before you can edit and download it to your phone. But if there's no paid on it, then you know it is free. So let's go for something very simple. Let's go for this. Now, this is the front of it. Then number 2 is the back of the card. So all you have to do is just click on any part of this design and edit it to your choice. So let's start editing. Let's change the color of this gray color. Is it gray now? Let's change it to another color. You look down here, then you see color. Click on this plus sign to pick any color of your choice. Let's pick blue. Depends on what your business stands for, your business color and the rest. I'm just editing this to show you how it works. I'm just going to teach you guys the basics. I'm sure you can find your way around it after learning the basics. You understand? It's a very simple app, very easy to operate and to understand. So I'm just going to teach you guys the simple part of it, the basic part. So once you get hold of the app, just explore all your options and make the best out of it. Trust me, it is worth it, and you'll thank me later. So we've chosen blue. Then I'm going with this red. Anything you want to edit, you tap on it and edit. But if you want to edit like words like this, you double tap and edit. So let's change this to the business name of choice. Let me just say RIONA'S Empire. Now you can change the font. Beautiful, right? It's just like your normal designing apps or websites. You can change the font. Let me change the font. You see fonts here. It's going to give you a lot of options. Okay, this one is Open Sans. Let's change to a Braille fat face. I like this. So it's going to give you the option of, okay, should we change all the Open Sans fonts on this business card to the one you've just chosen? Let's choose change all. I like when all the fonts are the same. Okay. Then you keep editing. You change this to your phone number. Remember to double tap and change to your phone number. Double tap, change to your email address, double tap, change to your office address, or your if you're an online store, you can just change to your Instagram account or something. Now, to add more things to this business card, you could say, okay, it's too simple. Let me add one or two things. You click on this plus sign. Then, if you want to change the design that you chose before, probably you didn't like the design you chose before, you can click on templates, then choose any other one of your choice. Now, the one we're already designing, if you want to add more things to it, click on elements. Then pick what you want to add on it. Let's say you want to add your Instagram account to the card and you need an Instagram logo. You click on this. Then you resize it and move it to where you want it to be. Let's put it here. Remember, I'm just teaching the basics. At least from these basics, you should understand how this app works. Now, you want to write the name of your Instagram account. Very simple. Click on this. Click on this plus sign to copy and paste. Now, move it to where your Instagram account, Instagram logo is. Remember to align it well. You can see the line is showing you as a guide as to where to put it. Then you double tap and edit. The name of my Instagram is RIONA'S Sucre, so let's just put that there. So the same thing, if you want to add your WhatsApp contacts, Twitter account and all those stuff, just do it the way I've done it. Go to Elements, get the Twitter logo, bring it here, then add your Twitter name. Simple. If you want to delete anything from this card, anything you don't like, you click on it. Then you see this delete option. Delete it. Now, let me show you how to put in your business logo. Click on this plus sign. Go to gallery. You should already have your business logo stored on your phone or snapped in your phone or as a soft copy or something. So you look for it where it is. Let's just pick this random picture. Let's say this is your logo. Of course, you should know where your business logo is on your phone in your gallery. Then you click on add to page. This is it. So you resize it and put it anywhere you want to put it. Let's remove this. Let's put it here. Then you double tap and write your company name. Or anything you want to write there. Then edit choice. Now let's move to the back. Do the same thing. You can change this entire back of the card by just deleting everything on it. Let's delete this map. We don't want this map. Let's delete this. We don't want this. Let's change the color to say red. This red is too sharp. Let's make this white. Font color. So you can edit as much as you want. I'm just teaching you guys the basics. I believe from here you can navigate your way through as to how this app works. So you can add in as much as you want on this, you get. You can choose to animate it, but that's if you want to post it as a video or a GIF or something. You can add your comments. You can do a whole lot of things on it. You can add a text. You can add extra text to the design. You can add pictures. You can change the background. You can add emojis. A whole lot of things. You can do a whole lot of things with this app. Then when you're done, you click here to download your design, or you click here for options, which is better. You can choose to invite someone to look at the design before you download it. Nice, very professional. You can share the link, but anybody that views it, person will only be able to view it and not edit it. You can scan the QR code. You can do a whole lot of things on it. Yeah, the option is endless. Then you can post it to your Gmail, a whole lot of things. Then let's move on to download. Then you pick. For designers, they prefer downloading their files as PNG. They said it gives the best quality. Or you download it as JPEG, as PDF, as print. These options, all these options are there because you can do a whole lot of things on this app. You can even write a book with this app. That's where this PDF print comes in. When you've written the book, then you can download it as a PDF print. If you've animated your design, you can download it as an MP4 video or a GIF. Then this one is just a business card, so let's download it as a JPEG. So you go to your gallery, and this is your design. So if you want the hard copy of your business card so that you can give it out to your clients, potential customers, and the like, you go to a printing press or a printing shop, send them the front design and the back design. They're going to print it out as your business card and make as much copies as you want. Very easy. It has saved you the part of paying a graphic designer to design for you. Though when you start, your designs might not be all that good and perfect, but with consistency, your designs will get better. Hope you watched that tutorial. If you didn't, oh yeah, go back and watch it. You will benefit from it. And this is the right channel where you can learn all these things and points. Please subscribe to this channel. Share this video. Share the link to this video. Hit the notification bell. And of course, if you like the tutorial, do well to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching once again. I hope I'll see you in my other video. So till next time. Bye-bye.